Hi, welcome to XCMS Institute. I'm Brian Hilmers. With me is Thomas Fang. He's here to talk about his paper, Thermal Degradation of Small Molecules, a Global Metabolic Investigation. It was recently published in Analytical Chemistry. Thanks for being here. Thomas, can you tell me what inspired you to take a look at the heating of small molecules?
Thanks, Brian. There's a long history about this idea. So my current advisor, Dr. Siuzdak, so he used to teach a lecture in XCMS conference, and he just got a lot of questions about whether the heating will degrade the chemical under such a high temperature. And for myself, I'm a XCMS person. I used to do a lot of environmental chemical analysis. So I also find that using the XCMS method, I couldn't find the parent ion of many chemicals. So I really concerned those chemicals might undergo thermal degradation at the high temperature we used in the XCMS system. So after I joined here, so Dr. Siuzdak, he talked with me about this idea, and I just feel so excited with it. And definitely we think it's time to do some systematic investigation on these questions.
Yeah, great. How did you design the study?
So the design of this study is quite straightforward. So we try to specifically mimic the condition we used in the sample preparation and the XCMS running. So specifically, we exposed the human plasma extracts to 3 different temperatures: 60 Celsius degrees, 100 degrees, and 250 degrees for different time, from half a minute to 1 minute to 5 minutes. So, and after that, we can compare the metabolic profiling change before and after the heating processes, and then it can give us some idea how the heating can change the metabolite mixtures.
Could you give me a brief overview of the results, and did you find anything interesting?
Yeah, definitely we see a lot of interesting things inside. So first of all, we see a lot of changes after the heating processes. For example, the mixtures when heating to the 100 degree for 5 minutes, we see a lot of chemical degraded. And for the high temperature 250, even with half a minute heating, we see more than 40% of the metabolite has been degraded inside. More interestingly, we see some chemical can be generated, can be formed during the heating processes. Yeah.
Wow. Is there anything else you want to add?
Yeah. So we just want to give some idea to the researcher who already in this field and who really want to join this field that the heating can be a really problem for the non-targeted analysis. Yeah.
Great. Hey, thanks for sitting down with me.
Yeah. Thank you.